Maze game. The maze game teaches the concept of programming to the users. This game teaches the user to join the blocks, create loops or blocks to repeat actions, change instructions in the variable blocks, placing stack of blocks inside a container block. In this game, the user has to move the person from the current position to the destination in the maze by moving forward or turning left and right. The instructions to move forward and turn left or right are given using blocks. The game has 10 levels. The difficulty increases with simple moving forward to turns and further to loops. The blocks used in the maze game and their use are block, use, move forward. Move the object in the forward direction from the direction it is facing. Turn left. Turn the object in the left direction from the direction it is facing. Turn right. Turn the object in the right direction from the direction it is facing. To play the game, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the maze option. A tip appears on the screen. This tip tells us how to move the person forward from the current position towards the destination. 2. Click and drag the move forward block and join with the first block in that pane. 3. Click on the Run Program button to check that the person has reached the destination or not. If the person does not reach the destination, the Reset button appears in place of the Run Program button. Click on the Reset button to return to the original position. Once the person reaches the destination, a dialog box appears on the screen. The dialog box asks the user whether to start the next level or not. 4. Click on the OK button to start the next level. Let us play level 2 in the maze game. Drag and drop the blocks in the given sequence to reach the destination. After completing all the 10 levels of the maze, the home page will automatically appear on the screen.